use the Sparky bot?
We use remote to control Sparky.
To use the Sparky bot?
We use remote to control the Sparky.
To use the Sparky bot? Coding session.
The commands given to Sparky are
What are these?
these are commands for Sparky.
Very
Is to Sparky to
is
is
coding. Is coding.
the commands given to Sparky are
How to use Sparky bot?
we use remote to control Sparky.
Coding.
The command given to Sparky are called
Use the Sparky bot.
use remote to control the Sparky. These are commands for Sparky. These are commands and for our
Coding.
Sparky. The commands given to Sparky are called
What is coding?
the commands given to Sparky are
How to use the Sparky bot?
use remote to control the Sparky.
Tanvi.
The commands given to Sparky are coding. These are commands for Sparky.
What are the directions that we have learned, Priyanshi?
Forward, downward, upward, backward, leftward, rightward.
Use the Sparky bot.